Have you ever wondered what would happen if you never slept again? Imagine staying awake for 1 day, then 2 days, then 3. At first, you might feel tired, but soon, your memory would begin to fail. Your emotions would become unstable. You might start seeing things that aren't there. Your body would struggle to function, and your brain would slowly begin to break down. Yet every single night, millions of people sacrifice sleep without realizing how important it truly is. But here's the shocking truth. While you're sleeping, your brain is doing some of the most important work of your entire day. It's cleaning itself, repairing itself, organizing memories, controlling hormones, processing emotions, and even protecting you from diseases. Tonight, while you sleep, an incredible series of events will take place inside your head, and most people have no idea it's happening. Stay until the end, because one of the most surprising things your brain does while you sleep could completely change the way you think about bedtime. And before we begin, tell us in the comments, what time do you usually go to sleep? Now let's dive into the fascinating world inside your sleeping brain. Most people think sleep is simply a period of rest. After all, your eyes are closed. You're lying still. You're unconscious of what's happening around you. It looks like everything is shut down. But scientists have discovered that this couldn't be further from the truth. In reality, your brain remains extremely active throughout the night. The moment you close your eyes and begin drifting off to sleep, your body starts preparing for a complex journey through different stages of sleep. Your heart rate begins to slow. Your breathing becomes steadier. Your muscles relax. Your body temperature drops slightly. But your brain is only getting started. Sleep occurs in cycles. Each cycle lasts approximately 90 minutes, and during a normal night, your brain may complete 4 to 6 of these cycles. Every cycle contains different stages, each serving a unique purpose. The first stage is called light sleep. This is the transition between wakefulness and sleep. During this stage, your brain waves begin to slow down. You might still hear sounds around you. You may even experience the sensation of falling, causing your body to suddenly jerk awake. Many people have experienced this strange feeling. Scientists call it a hypnic jerk. Although it may feel alarming, it's completely normal. As sleep deepens, you enter the second stage. Your body becomes less aware of the outside world. Your heart beats more slowly. Your muscles relax further. Your brain begins preparing for one of the most important phases of sleep. Deep sleep. Deep sleep is often called the body's restoration stage. During this time, your body performs essential repairs. Damaged tissues are rebuilt. Muscles recover from physical activity. Bones strengthen themselves. The immune system becomes more active. Growth hormones are released. This stage is particularly important for children and teenagers because their bodies are still growing and developing. But adults need deep sleep too. Without enough deep sleep, you may wake up feeling exhausted even after spending many hours in bed. Now here's where things become truly fascinating. Scientists discovered that your brain has a cleaning system. Think about it. Throughout the day, billions of brain cells are constantly working. As they work, waste products accumulate. If this waste isn't removed, it can interfere with healthy brain function. So how does the brain clean itself? The answer is remarkable. While you sleep, tiny channels inside the brain expand. These channels allow fluid to flow through brain tissue, washing away waste products and toxins. This cleaning network is known as the glymphatic system. Many scientists compare it to a nighttime sanitation crew. While you're dreaming peacefully, your brain is literally taking out the trash. Some researchers believe that poor sleep may contribute to the buildup of harmful proteins associated with neurological diseases later in life. In other words, getting enough sleep today may help protect your brain in the future. Pretty amazing, right? If you're learning something new so far, take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We explore the incredible science of the human body, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Now let's talk about memory. Have you ever wondered why studying before bed sometimes helps you remember information better? The answer lies inside your sleeping brain. Throughout the day, your brain receives an enormous amount of information. Names, faces, conversations, facts, experiences. Without a system for organizing all this information, your brain would quickly become overwhelmed. Sleep solves this problem. During sleep, your brain reviews information collected throughout the day. Important memories are strengthened. Unnecessary information is discarded. Neural connections are reinforced. It's almost as if your brain is organizing files inside a giant library. This process is one reason why sleep is essential for learning. Students who consistently get enough sleep often perform better than those who stay awake late into the night. In fact, scientists have repeatedly found that sleep improves memory formation. So if you're preparing for an important exam, one of the smartest things you can do is get a good night's sleep. Now let's move to one of the most mysterious parts of sleep: dreams. Every night, your brain enters a stage called REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. During this stage, your eyes move rapidly beneath your eyelids. Your brain becomes highly active. Heart rate increases. Breathing becomes irregular. And dreams become vivid. Some dreams are exciting. Others are confusing. Some are beautiful. Others can be frightening. Scientists are still studying exactly why we dream. One theory suggests that dreams help the brain process emotions and experiences. Another theory proposes that dreams help strengthen memories and improve problem-solving abilities. Whatever their purpose, dreams remain one of the greatest mysteries of the human mind. Now here's something many people don't know. During REM sleep, your brain temporarily disables most of your voluntary muscles. This condition is known as REM atonia. It prevents you from physically acting out your dreams. Imagine dreaming that you're running while your body actually starts running around the room. That would be dangerous. Fortunately, your brain has a built-in safety mechanism. Even while your mind explores dream worlds, your body remains safely still. Sleep also plays a major role in emotional health. Have you ever noticed how everything seems worse when you're tired? Small problems feel bigger. Patience disappears. Stress becomes harder to manage. That's because sleep helps regulate emotions. During sleep, the brain processes emotional experiences from the day. It helps reduce emotional intensity and prepares you to handle challenges more effectively. When people consistently lose sleep, they often experience higher levels of stress, anxiety, and irritability. Sleep isn't just important for the body. It's essential for mental well-being. Now let's talk about hormones. While you sleep, your brain controls the release of numerous hormones that influence nearly every aspect of your health. Some hormones regulate hunger. Others control growth and development. Some affect metabolism and energy levels. When sleep becomes disrupted, hormone balance can be affected. This is one reason why chronic sleep deprivation is linked to weight gain and other health problems. Your brain and body are deeply connected. When one suffers, the other suffers too. So how much sleep do you actually need? Most adults need between 7 and 9 hours every night. Teenagers often require 8 to 10 hours. Children need even more. Unfortunately, many people regularly get less sleep than their bodies require. Modern life is full of distractions. Phones, social media, streaming services, late-night work. Many people sacrifice sleep without realizing the long-term consequences. But your brain never forgets. Every night of poor sleep adds to a growing sleep debt. And eventually, your body demands repayment. The good news? Even small improvements in sleep habits can make a big difference. Going to bed at a consistent time. Limiting screen exposure before sleep. Keeping your bedroom dark and quiet. Avoiding excessive caffeine late in the day. These simple habits can dramatically improve sleep quality. As we come to the end of this journey, remember this. Tonight, when you close your eyes, your brain won't be shutting down. It will be working tirelessly on your behalf, cleaning itself, repairing itself, strengthening memories, balancing emotions, protecting your health, preparing you for tomorrow. Sleep isn't laziness. Sleep is one of the most powerful biological tools your body possesses. And the better you understand it, the better you can take care of yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more amazing human anatomy and science content. And before you go, tell us in the comments, what's the latest you've ever stayed awake? Thanks for watching, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.